We are in Ražanac. That is a very lovely town near the mountain Velebit. So basically that's Velebit with the Bura clouds. We call it like Burna Kappa, so that means Bura hat. I don't know if you can hear me, because the wind is really strong. And we actually came to film Bura. That wind that blows usually during winter times. So it is beginning of October, and this is the first strong Bura wind of the season. A little bit early, I think. And it's just picking up in Ražanac. Colors are amazing. Air is very dry. This is the wind that dries prosciutto, pršut. So it is the best for dried, cured meat, because we dry it on wind. Nothing artificial. That's the wind that causes island pug to be barren on one side, and it makes the perfect cheese because the pug sheep are grazing on that salty herbs. So even the storms here in the Adriatic Sea are amazing, and the colors are really wonderful. It cooled down the air significantly. And I think it was 11 this morning because of the wind. So it doesn't matter, the sea is still 22, 23 degrees, but it's too dangerous to swim in the Adriatic during the Bura wind, because the waves are really, really strong, like you can see it. Yep, Bura is definitely picking up. It will be more stormy in the evening, afternoon, in the evening. But even now it's very, very dramatic and beautiful. There is something in raw power of nature. I wanted to tell you that the name of the wind is Bura, not like I often heard from English speakers, Bora. No, it's actually Bura. So this lovely little town during summer is very busy with tourists and vacationers. It has lovely beaches. But even today, I saw some campervans parked near the coast. They obviously wanted to experience Bura wind because it's somewhat of a phenomenon. Down there, you can see in the distance, it's a lovely beach. Ooh! Wow! That was some gust of wind. Man! Ooh! And it's bitter cold. Oh wow! Whoa! Look at my hair. Oh! It's a good thing that my camera is actually attached to my hand with a strip, because really it's so strong. It can just rip the camera out of my hand. Oh wow! But look at the colors. So even with the stormy weather and dramatic weather conditions, it's amazing. Like, Croatia has so many things to offer. Wow. So I think this is our first October Bura, because we just recently moved back to Croatia. So yeah, I spotted this sign here. So on every beach, so on the left and on the right, I saw this in Ražanac. So penalty €133 for a dog swimming in the sea. It's a shame. It's a shame. Like, I am a dog owner, and yeah, a lot of people have a lot of opinions, but I think that human is the worst, considering polluting the nature, like you know. But okay, respect the law, respect the nature. Look at this white foam forming from Bura wind. Woohoo! Whoa!